Hello everyone, welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And today we're gonna make a beautiful cocktail. This is one of the most beautiful ones that I learned over the years. And I'm gonna teach you how to make a Vodka Cucumber Martini. Let's get into it. So in the past videos, I've tried to make some easy cocktails for you to get everything nice and handy in your house. But this time I'm going to teach you something a little bit different that is going to require just a little bit of work. So we're going to start with doing a little bit of cucumber water. How do you want to make cucumber water? Very simple. With your cheese slider, what you want to try to do is just to get the first skin out that obviously you're going to throw away. And then for your garnish, what you're going to do is get the first layer like this. Make sure you're gonna roll it up and put them aside, right? Let's put the cheese slider on the side, and then we're just gonna go for like a 1 quart of this cucumber. What we want to do is just to fine cut it, put it in your blender. Let's add just one more piece, and you're gonna add a little bit of water. And then we're going to proceed to get the water out. And here comes your mason jar. There we go. So now, this is going to be our base for our cocktail. And let's move on to the fun part. Okay, so now that we have our cucumber water, we're going to start making actually our cocktail. So let's start with the 2 ounces of vodka. We're going to do some lemon juice. Let's go for 3/4 of it. And also, let's use some 3/4 of simple syrup. And all this, we're going to put 2 ounces of cucumber water. Let's put some ice. And let's do the shake. Okay, so for your garnish and the way that actually we're gonna pour the cocktail, you're gonna need a martini glass, you're gonna need a toothpick, or you're gonna need like some nice skewer, and you're gonna have what is called the Pac-Man. Go just for like halfway of the rim, roll it in your Tajin, because obviously cucumber has to go with Tajin. Pour your cocktail. Grab your strip, kind of like go in this kind of like a nice fancy way. And you can actually cover it in Tajin. Of course, you can eat your garnish. And there you have it. A sexy cucumber martini. Salamati.